So Mark, we've been asked a question. How do you shrink heat shrink tubing?
Well, Barry, I'll demonstrate that. First of all, you've got to get your cable and you've got to clean it.
Okay.
So if you'd like to give me this.
What's that? Oh, no.
So what this is doing, this is cleaning off all the grease and all the grime off your cable.
So preparation is key.
It is indeed, Barry, yes. So we've got our SE28 thin wall tubing there, and we put it over like this. Now we need to put our glasses on and make sure we've got all our protective equipment. Using the correct equipment, Barry, with our heat gun and our nozzle. And the
what sort of
deflector.
temperature does that run at?
This runs at 250 degrees Celsius, Barry.
So that's plenty to shrink the tubing, yeah?
Plenty to shrink the tubing.
Perfect. That was quick.
It was indeed quick, Barry, because it's thin wall. So this is how you shrink heat shrink tubing onto a cable.
So we hope that answers your question. I'm Barry.
And I'm Mark.
See you again soon.
See you soon.